And well, now let's continue with the negative structure of must, which is mustn't. Notice that it is a contraction of must not, versus don't have to, which is a contraction of do not have to. Let's be very careful with these two because there's a difference in meaning between mustn't and don't have to. Mustn't, for instance, means that something is prohibited, that an action is not allowed, or it is important that you do not do something. You have here these two examples. You must not drink that. That is, it is forbidden to drink that, or don't drink that, it is not allowed. Or you mustn't tell John, which equals do not tell John, or you're not allowed to tell John. This mustn't is very strong, so you normally use it when you have, when you want to emphasize a prohibition, okay? Or you want to emphasize that the speaker can be punished or penalized by doing something. And then the other one, don't have to, means that there's no obligation. This is slightly different. I mean, there's no obligation. The speaker is not required to do something, especially if he or she doesn't want to. So it's a synonym of it is not necessary. Let's have a look at this example. You don't have to drink like that. That is, you don't need to drink that, but if you can, if you want to. That is, I mean, you don't need it at all. Or you don't have to tell John. You can tell John if you want to, but it is not necessary. So, well, I hope you can see the difference between the two of them and use them correctly.